Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to turn off direct messages on TikTok. So we are in TikTok profile. On top right, you see three line hamburger menu. So click on it, and then you see setting and privacy option. So again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy option. So we are going to disable direct messages on TikTok. Now you see privacy. So click on it. So we are in privacy section. Now you see multiple option, and then in interaction you see direct messages. So click on it. So we are in direct messages section. Now you see permission setting, message preference, you see multiple option. Now click on permission setting. So we are in permission setting. Now you see who can send you messages, potential connection request, others on TikTok request. Now click on it, and then you see receive messages in request, don't receive, potential connection refer to your follower. So click on don't receive. Now you see pop up. This will also turn off requests from others on TikTok. Update setting. Now setting updated. Now click on back. Now you see others on TikTok also updated with don't receive option. Now click on it. Now you see receive messages in request, don't receive, enable. So in this way you can disable direct messages on TikTok. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.